Hello again. Today we're going to talk about the 3D warehouse. It's an incredibly um, powerful and packed repository of models that other folks have made. Unfortunately, or fortunately, however you look at that, um, it's not super regulated, meaning um, I wouldn't rely on accuracy. So go there for looking for things that you understand to be correct with simple measurements, and then use them in your scenes or your models. But it's very very useful, and I'm just going to pull a few examples to get you going. So in the right hand side of your screen, you'll find the logo looks like the SketchUp logo with a box around it. You're going to click that, and up pops this dialog box. You can resize it if you'd like. But it's super useful because you have the options of just searching by category, right, which is in itself very useful, or just plugging in a name of something. You can also upload models, and I have a few of my own. I'm not sure if yeah, it does. It says right there under my content. So I click that, and it'll show you all the models that I have made, or I have borrowed from someone else. In this case, this lamp, these stools are based on real elements that exist in a catalog somewhere that I couldn't find, so I just modeled them myself, such as these lights, that sink, and whatnot. And in other cases, they're 3D CAD files that I've converted to SketchUp. So there's some of my own things. But anyway, so you're going to click on under the search bar, whatever it is you're looking for. I'm getting ready to teach analysis in my D2 class for Barcelona Pavilion, and so I always like to start out with this as a learning tool. So Barcelona Pavilion, if you look under products, it's going to show nothing, but if you look under models, you'll find a whole bunch of choices, right? Some with materials applied, some are white models, perspectives, some in real space, and I'll show you what that means here in a later video. But I don't really recall which one is the most accurate, nor which one is the biggest or smallest file size. So I'm just going to pull this one because it's one of the first responses. And what you do is you see it says download. And notice I click my point of origin, and then there's the model. So warehouse can be very, very useful, especially when there's things that you don't have time or want to spend the time to model. And then what we can do then is start to populate this model with some of the things that we know we need. Like, for example, that room is empty. So I could probably spend some time modeling that. But I can also go to 3D Warehouse again and look for Barcelona chair. And it was one of the chairs that, actually there's a product by Knoll, so that's got to be fairly accurate because it's done by the manufacturer. But it's one of the chairs that Mies van der Rohe, who designed Barcelona Pavilion, he created this chair just for this place. So we're going to download that, and we're going to put it right into our scene. There it is. And I know that it goes in this room traditionally, so I'm just going to put it back there. So that's really it. It's 3D Warehouse is very, very useful, either for downloading or uploading your own for future use. I would highly recommend you check it out if you haven't already. And that's it. 3D Warehouse is very, very simple to use. Let me know if you have, again, anything else that you would like to see me demonstrate. I am trying to do one of these episodes a day, so 5 a week or something like that. And I'll bounce back and forth between SketchUp, Revit, Photopea, and a few others, and traditional analog drawing. So I'm going to demonstrate drawing an axonometric with an overhead camera. That should be fun. So thanks very much for listening again, and please like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, hit the announcement bell so you're alerted when new videos arrive. Take care.